Get it. Get her, Bets. Tickle her. Sad. Get her pumpkin, Bets. Betsy, where's Sassy's pumpkin? Yeah, pumpkin. Good job. Give it to Sass. Get it, Sass. Sassy might also be upset because supper is ready and sitting on the table. Nothing angers her more than food that is unattended and unavailable to her. Good girl, Sass. And Sass always blocks the basement stairs because she knows that that's supposed to go down. Alright, girls. Time to stop filming and probably time to feed you both, huh?